Why don't we check on all my cats today? Hello, Air Potato. How are you doing, friend? He's snoozing on the slipper cat bed, which basically lives on our table now. And here in this little box is Weeshkerdoo, aka Pee-wee. Look how cute she is. Just chilling in this shoebox-sized box that contained 48 cherry-ripe chocolate bars from Cassandra. Thanks. And where's Friday today? She's not in the living room. She's still doing her duty, preventing us from making the bed. Lying here like a cute little bean. Nice yawn, Friday.